Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of missing DLL files on Epic Games Launcher or any other games that you are playing, or how you can download any DLL file. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser in your system. Now here inside the browser you need to type the exact name of the DLL file that you want to download that you're facing the error for. For example, if you face the error of MSVCP140.dll file, so just simply hit enter, and here you'll see this option that says the first website that offer the file, that is dll-files.com. So just simply go to this website, and you can directly download that DLL file from here, and it's totally safe. Once you install the DLL file on your system, you will notice that your problem will definitely get solved. You'll able to find multiple options to download the DLL file.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.